Welcome back, explorers. In this Earth science adventure from my first science lab, we're discovering how our amazing planet is always changing. Deep beneath our feet, the Earth is made up of different layers, including the crust, mantle, and core, and these layers are constantly moving. The Earth's surface is broken into giant pieces called tectonic plates, and these plates are always slowly shifting, even though we can't feel it happening. As these plates move, they can push together, pull apart, or slide past each other, creating powerful changes across the planet. These movements can cause earthquakes, create volcanoes, build mountains, or even trigger massive waves called tsunamis. All of these incredible events show us the Earth is always active, always moving, and always changing the world around us. Thanks for exploring with my first science lab. Keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next Earth Science adventure.